welcome back. It's Tasha again. So I am doing my IPSY April Glam bag unboxing. So stay tuned. We'll jump into that in just a second. I did get the video for yesterday uploaded finally today. Sorry about that. I tried and was having technical difficulties last night. So it did not happen last night. It happened this morning. I'll get the IPSY up this afternoon, evening, and so we'll be back on our schedule of Monday, Tuesday, and Friday. Thank goodness. Sorry about that. I do have a couple of updates. I have a little bit of a hack that I heard from someone else on YouTube that we'll mention, so stay tuned. Please remember to subscribe, join my journey, click the bell. It would help me a ton, and I would really appreciate it. And we will go ahead and jump right into the IPSY bag unboxing. So IPSY has 3 different levels, and I don't know what they're called. There's an IPSY base bag that's like $12, then the IPSY Glam bag, which I have right now, that's what we're going to unbox, which is about $25. And then there is a deluxe bag, I think it's called, and that's like $50 or so. And with each step up, of course, you get more full-size products. So the IPSY Glam bag is supposed to be 5 full-size products for $25. So we're going to go ahead and jump right in. We're doing April. And April is in this is the bag that it comes with. Everyone has said the same thing. The flowers are just a little weird. They're kind of flowers, but kind of not. It does have this wooden, I think it's wooden little thing on the end of the bag. It's a decent bag. I would agree. For these bags, sometimes they're a little small for me, although they are cute at times. I would much rather do every other month a bag, and then maybe the month that you don't get a bag, an extra product or an extra sample or something like that, so that you don't have so many bags that you don't have as much to do with. That's just my opinion. So that's the bag. Let's go ahead and jump into the very first product. So I got the Ciate London Triple Shot Mascara. I do really like this box. It's super pretty. Let's take a look at the inside real quick. So nice rose gold-ish writing on the outside. Super pretty. Ciate London Triple Shot XXL Mascara. We'll open the wand and see what that looks like. Wow, that is like the longest wand I think I have ever seen. I don't know why my camera doesn't like to focus, but you can see it is just ginormous compared to my finger. So we'll see. I'll try that out. We'll do a try on Saturday. I am a little scared sometimes with that kind of a wand. I'm a little wicked with mascara and get it all over, so well, yeah, we'll see. Anyways, the next product that I have is the Tartist Double Take Eyeliner. So another eyeliner that's double-ended. Remember, I was not a big fan of the Caitlin one, so we'll check this out. This one, of course, is pencil on one end, nice and sharp. We will do a swatch. Ooh, that's super creamy, but it just broke on me already. So definitely very, very soft. Sorry if you can hear my doggos walking around in the background. And then a felt tip liner. Again, we'll do a... Wow, that is some black liner. So we'll try that out, see how it is. Usually I really like Tarte products, so excited to try that. Hopefully it lasts. The next product is 2 face masks from Starskin VIP. One is Instant Recovering Luxury Cream Coating Face Mask. And the other one is Illuminating Luxury Biocellulose Face Mask. So both of those, we'll try a face mask. I do really like, it does show you up here in the corner that, and I know you can't see it on that one, that they're 2 different pieces. So instead of just one full mask, it is the top part and then there's a separate section for the bottom part. Those type of masks tend to work really well for me. There was a Tula one that is a gel face mask that I love. That by far is my favorite face mask ever. But we'll try these out. We'll see how they work. Next, I received a cream rose. Bottle is really pretty. It is from Cella, C-E-L-A, Cella? I don't know how to say that, but it's the very best cream rose. And it just says, deliciously aromatic with notes of sweet jasmine, peach, and rose water, and enriched with Canadian botanicals, Koopa something butter, Abyssinian oil. This velvety body cream hydrates and softens skin. So it's just a body cream. Let's see if I can smell it. Oh, and I love, here's a little foil on the end of it, so it does have the foil thing. Let's take this off and give it a whiff. Oh my goodness. That is meant to stay on forever. Wow. It is super thick. So you can see that right there on the edge of my hand. Ooh, that smells good. Although it says a rose cream, it has, you can smell the rose a little bit, but I definitely smell the peach. Definitely smell the peach and the jasmine much more. Oh, I just got that up my nose. Anyways, put it the right way for you. Like the bottle, we'll see. It seems very, very moisturizing. So far that's 1, 2, 3, 4 products. Our last product here is the Cheyenne B Miami Blush and Highlighter Palette. This must have been the month of blush and highlighter palettes. Again, so here's outside, cute little flamingo packaging. It is hard plastic. Open it up, there is a highlighter shade. It looks like 2 blush shades, or this could be used as a highlighter or a blush topper. It's more pink for me, so it's not something that I could use. And then there's a bronzer or a dark blush there. So let's go ahead and swatch these. So here's this first one. We'll swatch it on the inside. You cannot even see that. Very, very light, very goldy color. Next one is that pink one. And again, hardly can see that. It is a little pink shimmery, so definitely a blush topper versus anything. There's that Rosa, which is the blush color, so very pretty pink color. And then this last one is Brickwell. And as I'm swatching it, it is definitely more of a, well, it comes up as a bronzer color, but it is definitely more of a bricky red in person versus on camera. So definitely all blush. So blush and highlighter palette. That's what it says, not bronzer. Huh. Anyways, it says capture the Miami glow with 4 universally flattering shades in matte and shimmer finishes. Do not use on eye area. Discontinue if irritation occurs. That makes me a little nervous. It doesn't say it's made, it says it's made in China. It doesn't say that it is vegan or cruelty free, so just regular palette for those who need to know that. And so the theme for IPSY this month is Full Bloom. Mother Nature's finest work. It's timely. No, wow. It's time to fully embrace your natural and most gorgeous state. Curls, curves, and all, and allow yourself to blossom. So the Ciate London mascara is $22. The Cella or Sela cream is $39. Good Lord, $39 for that bottle. The Cheyenne B Miami Blush Palette is $20. That's actually a decent price. The 2 masks here are $30. Wow. So $15 each, and then I dropped the Tartist double-ended eyeliner is $24. So definitely well worth the $25 that you pay. I love that it has the card with everything. In my BoxyCharms, I haven't been getting the card as much, and I hate that. I like to know kind of product, know a little bit about it, know the price that they say, that retail price that it's getting. Okay, before we close out, I do have to say, update on that IGK hair spirulina protein spray that I got in the BoxyCharm premium box. I actually used it today. It doesn't It doesn't really smell the most awesome. It's okay, it doesn't have a bad smell, but it did make my hair nice and sleek. So not as many flyaways. I didn't have to use as much oil treatment on the end to kind of get all those flyaways down. It is not as silky as it normally is, but I really liked it. It didn't weigh my hair down. It's actually really good. So I ate my words. It does not weigh your hair down. It actually works really, really well. So I like that. So I am here with a hack that I actually got off of another YouTuber's channel. It was Andrea Matilano. I am so sorry if I'm saying that last name wrong, but she's a YouTuber that I do watch, and I don't remember which video it was in because it was at the end of one of her videos, but she said she actually saw someone clean their brushes using a colander or strainer or whatever you want to call it. She had a wire mesh one with the very small holes there, so it wasn't very big, and she said that's what she used. I had this. I didn't go out and buy a separate one. It makes cleaning your brushes so much easier. So I got a bowl, filled it up with soapy water, put this at the edge, and then I would just take the brushes and kind of go around in that soapy water in here. It cleaned them beautifully. It took half the time that it normally takes me to clean my makeup brushes, and I hate cleaning my makeup brushes. So definitely well worth it. I did not notice that it did anything to the brush fibers. You know, of course I wasn't like jamming it in there and being crazy, but if you just take it around the edge, it kind of helps get everything out. Love the hack. Great, great idea. Try it, see what you think. And that is all of my stuff for today. So thank you so much for joining me. Love having you here with me. Please shoot me a comment down below. What did y'all get in your IPSY Glam bags? Did you enjoy it? What product are you most excited to try out? And join me on Friday for my IPSY try on. And so we'll try on all the makeup that we just unboxed. Thank you again so much. See you later. Bye.